Welcome to EEMS 352. This video demonstrates how to use the critical limits tools for habitat analysis in EEMS. The Habitat River model can be downloaded from our website. Information about this model is contained in the DM21 README Habitat River model in the download. Let's get started. This demonstration of critical limits time series will use the burbot adult fish as an example. You can download the model and related files from the website. We will refer to information from the model and these files for this video demonstration. First, run the model you downloaded from the website using EEMS. Double-click on the EEMS icon. Go to the folder Habitat River. Drag and drop from the model folder onto the user interface. Click the Run EFDC Plus button. Once the model has finished running, we can do the habitat analysis. Click Refresh Model Output to load the model output. We will now demonstrate the critical time limits options. Go to the Model Analysis menu. Then left mouse click Habitat Analysis submenu. Right mouse click the Critical Limits Time Series submenu item. Open the spreadsheet file in the Data folder. The data in the PDF is also contained in this spreadsheet to help copy the content into the form. Enter the criteria ID as burbot adult. For the parameter option, select water depth from the drop-down list. Enter the minimum and maximum values. Next, select velocity. Enter the minimum and maximum values. Click the Save button. Enter a name such as burbot adult, then click Save. Select the series checkbox to generate a time series for this parameter. Set the start date and end date. The default values are the start and end times of the model run. Select the cell-by-cell checkbox to generate a time series for every cell at every time step. A time series of only a subset of the model may also be generated using a polyline file. Click the Generate Initial Time Series button. Click the OK button. Right mouse click on the legend, then select two series, volume and area. Uncheck the visible box. Click the OK button. Click the Export button to export this series. Enter a file name, then click Save. Click Exit button. Once the time series is generated, the secondary processing of extracted results options will be available. Select Domain Average in the Type of Processing drop-down menu. Click the View Domain Composite Index button to see the habitat index. Click the Export button to export this series. Enter a file name, then click Save. Click the Exit button. Click the OK button to exit the form. Now we will view the critical limits in a 2D plan view. Click the new 2D HXY view button. Click the Add New Model Layer button. For the primary group, select Water Level. For the parameter option, select Water Depth. Click the Add button. From the keyboard, press Ctrl+H to open the Habitat Options form. Check the Critical Limits box. Click Select button. Browse to the Burbot adult file that was generated earlier. Click the OK button. Turn off the bottom elevation and water depth layers. Scroll through the results with the timing bar.